Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Ron again from wahpinas.com, and today we're going to be doing a quick unboxing of the Supremo Full HD 1080p webcam. You can buy this in Shopee for one of the sellers that I saw there is selling it for 799 pesos only. So it comes in a black box. It says here Full HD 1080p webcam, compatible Windows 10, Windows 7, Mac OS, and Windows 8. It has built-in microphone, real full HD 1080p. It's supposed to be plug and play. Okay, so we're gonna open it up. Whoop. Yeah, okay. As you can see, it's there. It's wrapped in paper. Okay. Oh, it's big. It's big. So it's roughly that size. That's the Pocophone. Okay. So I think 3 to 4 inches wide or long, whatever. So it's almost as long as my switchblade. Okay. According to the description, it should have a 1.2 meter cable length. Okay, so it should have glass lens. Okay, it's Full HD 1080p 1920 by 1080 pixels, and its optical resolution is supposed to be at 2 megapixels. Okay, so this doesn't want to open anyway. Okay, so yes, looks like it's about more than a meter. Okay, it's supposed to have 30 frames per second, auto adjusting saturation, contrast, wide balance exposure, and has an 80-degree viewing angle. So it also has a hole in the bottom so you can put it on a tripod, and this is supposed to go on top of your webcam. Okay, so we're gonna pause it and we're gonna set it up. The Supremo. So as you can see, that's how it looks like for the video. You can buy this in the Supremo Full HD camera. You can buy this in Shopee for 799 pesos. That's what I saw in one of the sellers. So that's a quick comparison, guys.